Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Traffic Magic, which launched on the 26th of July at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from Vick, Carty and Flair. And what it is, it's a new software that generates unlimited free traffic from Google and YouTube with a few clicks. It gets you ranked on #1 of Google and YouTube on the same day, again and again, without doing any SEO, without building backlinks and any of that stuff. It's just through identifying easy to rank keywords and then using video to achieve the rankings in both YouTube and Google using other people's videos. So if this sounds like it's of interest to you, then listen on to this review. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Traffic Magic from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And as usual folks, I really don't want that to happen because as the name suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means they are exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Traffic Magic, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that my bonuses are a little bit different to what anyone else has on offer. So what actually is Traffic Magic? Well, it's a way to generate high quality targeted traffic on demand in minutes. A brand new software that's generated Vick and limitless free traffic from Google and YouTube with a few clicks. They ranked on page 1 of Google and YouTube the same day again and again. 100% free traffic this is, of course. It's organic free traffic, no backlinks or social signals needed, fast results with a few clicks, and 100% newbie friendly.
Honestly, could you use some more free targeted traffic? Traffic you can send anywhere to any...
Alright, so that is the sales video, so do watch that folks. On my bonus page there is a walkthrough demo from Vick, so this is the only place to see the sales video, so I do recommend that you watch it. Again, I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page, folks. We are going to go inside the members area at Traffic Magic. Here we are inside. Let's go to the dashboard first. This is the dashboard with some videos that have already been downloaded by other members. Obviously, this is a shared account, a demo account. But we will go in there in just a moment and have a play around with that. Also go through the upsells that are available with this product. So the basic system is that you enter your main keyword and it lets the software run a full analysis. Next, you extract the keywords that Traffic Magic marks as ready to use. Third, you rank on page 1 of Google and YouTube and enjoy all the free traffic. The whole process takes minutes and is very newbie friendly. Alright, we'll come back and go through the rest of the sales page in a while, but let's cover off these custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this video that I'm now recording will be in here. This is the stuff that we've just gone through, and this is the must-watch demo video. It's only about 4 minutes long from Vick himself, taking you into the members area.
Vick, and welcome to the demo video for Traffic Magic, and this is Magic, guys, and let me show you how it works. So I'm in the login screen, and this is super simple, super awesome. To just enter your username and password and hit login, and you get inside the Magic app. Okay, and now we just click on this first tab. This is right on the top.
Alright, so do watch that through, and Vick is going to take you on a full demo as well, and as I said, I'll also take you into the members area. So my custom bonuses, firstly we've got this YouTube Traffic Masterclass. This is about an hour and a half long, and it will teach you everything that you need to know about both paid and unpaid traffic. The second bonus, now obviously this is a non-SEO required product, but I think that it's also important that you know how to organically rank your websites and blogs using up-to-date search engine optimization method. So this 1.5 hour masterclass will tell you how you actually can SEO your website. The third thing that I'm going to include is 4 free website traffic super hacks. So these are 4 methods that are all working in 2019 to bring a flood of free traffic to your pages and offers. The fourth bonus, if you really need to get traffic quick, then do this short course, how to get 100,000 visitors in 1 hour. It's about 7 very short modules that will lead you to learn this method. And finally, something a little bit longer term, get 1 million website visitors in 1 month. This is a masterclass that will show you how you can easily build up to this figure in about 5 to 6 months by employing this technique. And again, your number of views will be growing exponentially during this whole process. So although you're not going to get to 1 million instantaneously, you are going to increase month on month. So I hope you can see, folks, these are all custom bonuses that you won't be able to get elsewhere, and I hope you agree they add value to the front end product. So now let's carry on with the sales page. Usual sort of demos that you would expect on there, testimonials rather, and income proofs. All the usual stuff that you will see. Just to confirm, 0 backlinks, 0 cost and 0 weighting with this method. More testimonials, all the stuff that we're used to seeing, how to crack the algorithm. Again, you can read through all of this stuff if you want. What this does, it cracks the Google algorithm. It finds secret buyer keywords that you won't find anywhere else. Generates 100% free traffic, no SEO, backlinks or social signals needed, and included done for you videos. So that's it. So let's head into the members area and have a little experiment ourselves. So let's have a look and see if we are going to have a go with. So let's have a go with free advertising, which is actually quite a tough search, I would say. But let's see what we come up with. Okay, well, as you would expect, there are some ones to avoid in here, folks, and there aren't any easy ones because I've taken a tough subject, but there are some medium ones which will get you good results. So as you can see, free advertising websites, that would be a good one for the Elite Tigers group, and that will get us ranked on page 1 on both YouTube and Google. Yeah, so that is really good. So let's go with that. So we would now click on search video, and that will find us the video that we can use. Just bear with us, folks, while that is loading up. It shouldn't take all that long. And here we go. So we can see here that these are the selected videos. So we can go through here and see what we like. This one here has had over 6 million views. $100 a day on Wix. This has had over 1 million views. How to block ads on iPhone. We don't really want that. Top 10 free online classified ad websites for 2015, bit out of date that one. 5 websites with free traffic to make money with an online business. That's not a bad one, is it? So let's just say we decided to use that. 53,000 views. We just click on that and then click on next. And again, that will then sort that video for us and add it to our saved videos. It does take a few seconds, folks, because obviously it is software and it's working. So just talk amongst yourselves for a moment, and there we go. That has now been done. Oh, in fact, sorry, I've done that wrong, folks. I've actually gone to the next page rather than actually pressing the button at the top. Oh, my technical skills to the fore again. All right, folks, we'll forget that particular one. How to add your website to over 500,000 online classified ad websites instantly. Let's say that we decided to go for that one instead. Sorry about this, folks. You can see I'm doing this live. So let's click on add videos. So this is the button that you should press. It's always a disaster when I come into members areas, isn't it? All right, so let's click on the button there. This is what you would actually do, folks. I'll get it right here. right, I would click on that button there, and then I would select where I'm going to send this to. So I would select my WordPress site. It isn't actually on here because I haven't actually loaded it up. And then I would just click on add, and that would instantly go to my site. I can then obviously edit it and add the links that I want to send the traffic to from that particular video. And then I'm good to go, safe in the knowledge that that is immediately, within a few hours, going to be ranking on page 1 for both Google and YouTube with that particular keyword. All right, folks, we got there in the end. If you want to learn how to do this correctly, rather than the way that I've just taught you there, what you need to do is click on Tutorials and Support, click on Tutorials, and there we are, how to set up your site, and all of the videos will come up here. Alright, so all of your training videos are in there, and some more are going to be added actually in the coming days. So that is your members area. Let's head back. So as we've seen, you log into your dashboard, you research and type the keywords, you get results like easy, medium and danger. Obviously avoid the danger ones. There's another demo video. And that is pretty much it. You can rank in any niche. It takes minutes each time. You can send the traffic wherever you want, and it's 100% free. And that is pretty much it, folks. The price for this is $16.80 during this launch period. We're currently, at the time I'm recording this, the launch period is 6 hours before this price rise goes. So if you're looking at this within 6 hours of 10 a.m. on the 26th of July, you can lock in this price of $16.80 before it starts going up. And now let's have a quick look at the upsell. So $16.80 is your front end. Your first upsell is $47. That's the Pro upgrade, which will enable you to multiply free traffic with more powerful add-ons like an automated video blog and a lot more. The second upsell is fail-proof advanced training that turns free traffic into profits. That's $37. Obviously, have a look at the full video explaining what the upsell is. Vick's Academy is always incredibly popular, and you can get a $1 trial. You can test drive the most elite internet marketing academy for just $1. This has got over 300 plus videos, and everything's done for you. The fourth upsell is giving users access to the Internet Marketing Traffic Academy, which is essentially the traffic Bible for Vick and Art and the group, and that is $67. And the final upgrade, which is $147, is a live bootcamp sharing some of the very underground secrets to close more clients. So that is the set of upsells. All of Vick and Art stuff is very high quality, so I would recommend taking as much of that as you can afford, folks. So that is pretty much it. If you want to get your hands on all of these custom bonuses here, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Add to Cart, and then that will bring you back into your receipts area at Warrior Plus, where you can click on the green button to access your copy of Traffic Magic, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. We're going to give this a ranking of 4 stars out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group ranking. It's a great way to get your sites ranked without needing to do any SEO or building any backlinks. And that is pretty much it. So thanks as ever for watching and listening to this review video. Sorry about my usual lack of tech skills, guys. I hope it didn't spoil too much and you got the idea of how this thing works. And all that remains for me to thank you and to say this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Traffic Magic.